Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Street Series channel. Check it out. It's the homies Integra. Street Series banner on there. And the homies Malibu, he cracked his oil pan. You can follow the trail way down to the end of the dirt road. Yeah, he cracked his oil pan on the way up here. So to all my low buddies, make sure you drive safe on my dirt road, or this is gonna happen.
So I don't have to. I have one right.
You should've stayed down. I can't talk to you, I'm out the way now. Gave up on me back when I was way down. I ain't had no sleep enough for days now. I'm on my way now.
So that's the homie Junior's Integra. He's about to help us install the coilovers on my brother's Lexus. It's gonna look way better when it's lowered, Chewy. My brother's pulling up. Put the old one next to it. Damn, these are fucked.
That's long.
Okay, got it out. I'm gonna take out the next one. Second match, we'll do them together.
Right there, Junior. The
It could be perfect. Plus, I can't really put anything back because of this wave over here. I noticed like on my cord and I think on your card.
You can shower in my restroom. You're gay.
What? I'm not recording.
There you are.
I'm not. You guys shower together to save water.
Oh my god. Junior, this is
Let me see the shirt, Lalo.
Yeah, the one stuck here.
You're wearing it
Street
too?
Series shirt. Oh yeah, I am wearing it, huh? Check it out, guys. Street Series t-shirts dropping soon.
No, stop.
Wait.
Yeehaw. There we go. Oh damn, I'm about to trip.
Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill.
Stop.
Daddy, chill. Mmm.
Who's chunky monkey? I don't know. Oh, yeah, I think it's Gabriel. No, it's not. No, just look at the picture. It's not Gabriel. Oh my god, yeah. Wait, click on
Is that how
the
you adjust the
side.
height?
Yeah.
I think someone named that followed.
I forgot who told me. They told me not to adjust it by here. It's supposed to be by here.
It's cheapy.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it around.
Well, yeah, because Adrian didn't take care of his car.
Yes, he did it.
I hope on the back we don't have to do no type of modifications to the bushings.
I think yours is the only car that I ever had.
I think it's because that one was for both the Accord and the TSX, and they probably can't fit it for the Accord.
Probably.
What's that for?
Alright guys, so here's stock height. And then we'll show you guys the after. Here's the before. Ready, Chewy? Slam it.
Yeah. When can we put on the banner?
Probably like on Tuesday or something.
Then it's gonna settle. Then it's gonna drop even more.
Yeah, just putting the two of them together right now and seeing how much it's gonna. What a difference.
I know.
Put it up, Lama?
When?
Huh? You want it a lot.
Please don't squish Junior.
Looks like I'm about to squish his head into a fender.
I know.
Too long. Too long. Okay.
Put it on the truck for now.
Is it for you?
Yeah. Lalo?
Okay, and then this thing doesn't have a place to secure the fucking brake line.
Can you
so
shut
we
up?
have to zip tie it somewhere.
Okay. Just kidding.
Yeah, zip.
New merch dropping soon,
I
guys.
thought you bought some.
Oh, I didn't. How you like the shirt, Lalo?
It's comfortable.
Huh?
It's comfortable.
How comfortable?
Really comfortable.
Why
Why don't you put like the YouTube play button right there?
That's a stupid idea.
How?
On the
I'm
side.
just kidding.
Yeah. Yeah, around the side.
Oh yeah, huh?
Like, rise it or.
Oh, like how you did on my car.
Yeah. Test it.
Ramen broke. Young still listens to Khaled.
Yeah, who still listens to that? You're gonna get me copyrighted with that trash.
You guys need Khaled alone, right? And it's Khalid, not Khaled.
His name's DJ Khaled, not DJ Khalid.
That's yours? That's yours? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's hot.
¿Qué dijiste, Grandma?
Así él lo había de tener alto el carro.
No.
Ah, como
Yes. What do you mean?
Like a monster truck.
ese carro.
She's talking about she wants it to be slammed.
Oh, she's talking about that high.
I know.
¿Te va a quedar más bajo de lo que estaba?
Sí, nomás un poco.
Ándale, y tú te
I had to get
atoras
some
por allá.
32s. Me atoré allí abajo.
No les des consejos. Es el teléfono.
My grandma said this should be his height, but she's not talking about.
Like at the lower.
She's not talking about that. She's talking about like being lifted off the floor.
She said so you could go anywhere.
Yeah, Chewy, I say you just max it all the way up. Look. You don't gotta worry about no potholes,
No oil pens.
no oil pans.
Who's gonna have to? Moment the truth, Chewy. That's just gonna hella rub too when you fucking turn the wheel.
Oh,
Shut up.
Okay.
Yeah?
This is.
Huh?
Sound
yeah,
too-
we'll skip it. We're gonna rise it up.
How long do you want?
I want to see where I can fucking lift it up from the front better.
What was that?
Fucking plastic.
That shit looks sick. Ma, Jesus bajó su carro mucho. I'm gonna go tell Chewy. He got scared, look.
Someone throw on the banner. Whenever, dude.
Tuesday. Let me see your glasses. Let's show the vlog.
Why?
Let's show them.
It's because I sleep
Guys,
with them.
no, guys, look how wide his head is.
Don't
Wait,
even.
let me
Look. See, that's how they would be.
No, you just did that. Let us see.
Look. That's how they would be.
Hold on, guys. Look how wide his head is. Take your glasses off. Show the vlog.
It's not my.
Stop moving. Wait.
It's not my head.
Let me see. Hold on.
Before you used to just. It's not my head.
A
Look.
lot of Snapchatting. vlogging,
See?
and then at the end,
You're lying, dude.
Why would I lie?
we fucking around. And I went through with it.
Oh, watermelon head ass. Put her down.
Shut up. Look. This is how they would be.
We're just messing around, dude.
No, we're not. That's just big.
Come here. He's gonna cry it like in the video.
What are those blocks called? The concrete ones?
Cinder block? Cinder block?
Oh, cinder block head ass.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh shit. Sebastian. So Sebastian.
What is that, your work uniform?
Popped it out of Tilly.
That's his cutie uniform.
Give me a job.
Give me a kiss.
Well, I wanna go look at his car. I gotta go show the channel his car.
She was sniffing the asshole.
Make sure Sky doesn't get out.
Bye, leave him alone.
Sick. Have you seen his car yet, Lolo?
Yeah, I see it.
His headlights are already... Do they come like this? No, huh? I think they already retrofitted them. Look, there's a zancudo in there. That's just big.
I could probably deep throat this shit like up to here.
Oh god.
Man, that shit looks good.
I mean, that sounded so good.
Big shout out to the homie Junior.
Gang gang. Hit them up for all your free installs.
Free my ass. You better pay
There's
up.
gonna be so many people on David's DMs now. Other people.
Yeah, you better take them out to eat. Feed them. A nice little blowy.
Order some NRG lug nuts.
Good.
For the food.
Damn, look.
That looks nice. And it's not too low, dude. Like, you could tell it's not too low by the side skirts. Like, remember when we first dropped mine? My side skirts were like this much.
What you guys think?
Yeah, look.
Let me know in the comments what you guys think of how it looks.
Yeah, you couldn't, huh? Before the real after.
I let the ice water flood from out the cabinets. They was lying if they told you I was heaven sent. You see bloody pages all on my own bucket list. Now I really miss the days when I was innocent. Now I crank up my 240, then I let it sit. Now I smoke a few blunts while I'm looking at it. Then he pulled next to me because he hear the engine. Mr. Fujiwara told me let him have it. I pulled off on the line, he didn't even know what happened. All these niggas still with the whack acting. See, I'ma tell the truth until my jaw's cracking. Is that girl a slut or she just free and happy? I guess it all depends on you, and who to you is just for you. All we wanna do is hide the pain we find unbearable. I'd rather let this 7 blade cut me loose than sit onto this earth without my weed getting high.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. It's the next morning. We took the car out yesterday to get a few rolling shots. It looks really good while rolling. But yeah, here it is guys, check it out. Looks much better. It's on the True Heart Plus coilovers. We got them at SoCal Accessories in Montclair. If you guys want to go check them out, they got great prices. But yeah, we're actually about to put the front windshield banner, which Jesus has in his hands, and then we're gonna put the YouTube decal in the back, help promote the channel. If you guys would like a YouTube decal, let me know and I can get one sent out to you. Well, all those little bubbles, I don't know if you guys can see those, but all these little bubbles right here, over time, maybe in about a week, especially since it's summer now, the sun will take all these little air bubbles out. It'll just dehydrate them. Yeah, here's the Street Series banner. Here's the car. Looks so good lowered. He's been getting so many compliments on it. It's crazy because he just, how long you get this car? Like not even a month. He already, probably a month, he already lowered it. He put the rear visor on, the side visors. We got all the visors and the suspension over at SoCal Accessories in Montclair. If you guys want to check them out, they have great prices. Alright guys, so before we end the video, we're gonna pull the car out just so you guys can see it in the sun. Man, this thing is dumped now. Hey, that Street Series banner though. And she looks good, Chewy. He already got a rear diffuser for it. Gonna be throwing that on soon. We're gonna take the duckbill. He ordered a duckbill for it as well. We're gonna take that to the homie Rob out in Hesperia. He paints, so he gets down too, so make sure you hit him up. I'll leave his Instagram in the bio so you guys can check him out, check out his work, and his prices are pretty good too. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna be doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. We're like 28 subscribers away, so we'll give away the Street Series YouTube decal so you guys can support. We'll hook you guys up with a Street Series license plate frame. They're carbon fiber style. What else could we hook them up with? We got the t-shirts inside. We got black. We're gonna order white ones. But yeah, we'll hook you guys up with the t-shirt. Just let us know your size. She looks good. That Street Series banner. Maybe we'll hook you guys up with one of those too if you would like one for your car, just to represent. But yeah, big shout out to the homie Junior for doing the coilovers. He actually taught me a little something, so hopefully when I get mine for the TL, I'll be able to do them myself. I'm for sure gonna need some of his help though, so be ready for that video to drop soon. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget, giveaway at 200 subscribers. See you guys next time. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby,